Check this out. We've got some TorchBeam 7-inch LED headlights. We're going to be installing them on the 944. It's definitely going to be an upgrade from the factory headlights. These look great. They come with a wiring harness. If you have the updated connector, you can plug that in. So that's what the back looks like. It's got a plug. It's got some cooling fins on the back. Feels pretty heavy. Almost feels like glass, but it's not. The housing is aluminum and the lens is a PMMA lens. Green wire is for a turn signal and the white wire is for a DRL. So you have the nice angel eye LED trim around that. That'll be cool. And then when you turn the blinkers on, if you wire it that way, you're gonna have an amber. If you're interested in these headlights, there will be a link in the description, and you can also get a discount if you use the coupon code. So let's get started. For wiring in the halos or the angel eyes and the blinker part of it, we want to wire it into where the blinker circuit is. So you might have to get creative a little bit. You might want to cut this back and splice into here. For the daytime running lights, I'm going to make a harness similar to this. I have one female end and two male ends. I'm going to take the wires, put these together. The only thing you want to think about is you want to weather pack these. You want some type of a shrink wrap to go over these. Get those locked in together. Crush that down. So put some shrink wrap on there. Shrink wrap on here. It's gonna go in between the light right here. There's a connector right there. So I disconnected that, and that comes on when the headlights come on, or even the marker lights come on. And one end's gonna go in here, And it'd be a good idea to put some dielectric in here as well. And then the other end is going to go onto the light. It's going to connect right there. Just like that. And then the other end of this can go up and around and behind up to the headlight. With enough slack, I can connect it to the white wire right there. Hook that up to the white one. This is the harness that I made for the blinker to work. So I have a female end right here, and then a male end and another male end to plug into the light. Now I need to take this connector out. I can just use a pick or a small tool, pry that down, and then I should be able to pull this out. This happens to be the black and white one. This way you don't have to splice in the harness. You can just pop the connector out. You just do that with a little pick. Get that out. Then this end will go in here. This will slide in like this. This is gonna go in here. Just like this. Be ideal to have a slightly longer wire, but that's good. And then fish this up near the light. And then we'll plug this into here. Right there like that. And then feed that back in there. And then you want to wire tie this out of the way. We can wire tie these all together. That's a good idea. So I'm just adjusting these down a little bit. They're not that bad. They are really bright, so I just want to tip them down slightly. And if I get in there with a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen up this one and tighten the bottom one, it brings them down a little. Do the same on this side. Looks pretty even right there. Camera's crooked. Now you could have these, you could have a switch on the halos. That's what the amber one looks like if you wanted just the amber instead. Or if you didn't want the halos on or the daytime running lights. Just like that. All right, those came out great. I'm extremely happy with them. They're extremely bright, way brighter than the OEM ones or the just regular incandescent bulbs. Definitely a great upgrade. It makes my car look a little more modern, and I can definitely see at night, which is great. If you want to check these out, make sure you click the link in the description. That's going to bring you over to SuncentAuto, and you can get 11% off on these if you use the coupon code Andy11 with the percentage symbol. So check those out. I really like them. They came out great.